Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because it's our goal to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.